Hello, student of class 8. Tell me, what do you know about history, or what is history? By history, we mean the things happened in the past and how they have changed now. The things known from the source of document. These documents are copied safely, written by calligraphists, and preserved for future use, so that we can understand it and teach us and let you know about our history. That is all about history. They are history divided into three periods: ancient history, medieval history, and modern history. Ancient history. The history of the ancient civilization, the Mediterranean area and Near East up to the fall of Western Roman Europe in AD 476. Something that is already long familiar, mean known to us, but no longer new, interesting or relevant. Studying ancient history helps you to learn what mistakes they made and what was the impact which let you understand those traditional beliefs. Medieval history. The history of the period from 5th to 15th centuries. The medieval times in Europe was a long period of history from 500 AD to 1500 AD. That is 1000 years. It covers the time from the fall of the Roman Empire to the rise of the Ottoman Empire. This was a time of castle and peasants. Peasants means people. Guilds and monasteries, cathedrals and crusades. During this age, people worked as farmers. Usually there was a local lord who lived in a large house called manor or a castle. Local people worked the land for the lord. Modern history. The modern history up to present day. History is up to present day from the end of the middle history till now. Mainly after 16th century, Bishop William Stubbs has been called the father of modern history. It is divided mainly in three categories: political, diplomatic and cultural. In some contexts, it may be contrasted with ancient rather than medieval in history and start from the fall of the Western Roman Empire. During this time period, some war act had been passed. Now going to explain more about the modern history. There are some years which fall after the medieval period. In 1707, Aurangzeb had died. 1748, First Anglo-French War took place. 1761, the Battle of Panipat took place. 1764, Battle of Buxar. 1784, Pitt's India Act passed. 1790 to 92, Third Mysore War between English and Tipu. 1817 to 19, the Anglo-Maratha War. 1828, Lord William Bentinck reduced public expenditure. 1829, Prohibition of Sati. 1848, Lord Dalhousie applied doctrine of lapse. 1853, the first railway line introduced in India from Bombay to Thane. 1856 to 62, First War of India's independence broke out and suppressed in 1858. 1857, First War of India. Independence led by Rani Lakshmi Bai of Jhansi. 1869, birth of Gandhiji on 2nd October. 1889, birth of Jawaharlal Nehru. 1905, first partition of Bengal took place. 1911, capital of India was transferred from Kolkata to Delhi. 1919, the Government of India's Act 1919 passed, the first step towards establishing responsible government. Means इस टाइम गवर्नमेंट इंट्रोड्यूस कराई गई थी इंडिया में. 1950, कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन ऑफ इंडिया कैन इन फोर्स.